Are your current leases at or below market prices? Does your space fit your current needs? Is your company in the right location? If you answer no to any of these questions, then your company needs the 3 R's of commercial real estate. In this video, I'll explain how renegotiation, right-sizing, and relocation can help significantly save on your company's bottom line. I'm going to quickly show you how you can save your company significant money by exploring the option of moving to a different location. I want to set a little scenario. Let's say your company is in the near end of its lease, so you have a year or so left. You have 100,000 square feet of office in downtown Manhattan. Your landlord is offering you an option for 5 years. Continuing that from your last lease, your rent is only going to go up. You're going to be over market, and with its years of escalation, New York is having lower than average demand of space. You're going to be completely over the market. So what do? Let's look at just your rent. Class A office rents are currently going between $75 and $80 a square foot, but you're over market. I mean, you did sign your lease about 5 years ago, so it was a lot stronger and higher priced. But let's still call your lease at $80 a foot. If we could take your building right out of New York City and move it to a different city, what would that look like? Well, if we were to drop it into Jacksonville, Florida, that would look completely different. In Jacksonville, for example, that exact same building would be at $27 a foot. So what does that mean for you? Well, in New York, that 100,000 square feet at $80 a foot, that's $8 million a year. And over 5 years, that's $40 million. And that's a flat rate, no escalations, no taxes or operating expenses included. It's a lot of money. If you go down to Jacksonville at 100,000 feet at $27 a foot, that's $2.7 million a year. Over 5 years, that's $13.5 million. That's $26.5 million in savings, or about 66%. If you were to right-size your space down in Jacksonville and go down to 40,000 feet at $27 a foot, you're a little over $1 million a year. And over 5 years, you're at $5.4 million. That's a $34.6 million savings, or about 86%. And on top of that, if you were to renegotiate that right-size space, that'd be under $1 million a year, and over 5 years, you'd be just pushing $4 million. That's 87% in savings. So the question is, what could your company do if you just found $36 million? If you'd like to learn more on how to relocate, right-size, or renegotiate, give us a call or check out our website.